So in this video, we're going to discuss the coefficient of restitution. This is whatever the way you would measure this would be you would have, say, a ball or an object, whatever it is that you're measuring would be at a certain height, say it's up here, then you would have it drop, and whenever it bounces, it's going to go up, typically, well, almost always, less than what the original height was. The difference between those two, that's going to be what your coefficient of restitution is. And what that's telling you is how much bounce or rebound an object or a material has. The way this can be applied to sports or other measures would be if you wanted something to have a greater bounce, like say a golf ball, whenever you hit it, you want it to go as far as possible for each hit, or a basketball. You have to dribble it because that's part of the rules. So you need it to be able to bounce from where you throw it back to roughly where your hand is. Basketballs are actually extremely have a very high coefficient of restitution, but something else like say a shot put or a sandbag and like strongman lifting or something, those would have significantly lower coefficients of restitution because they don't bounce. And the reason for that is like in shot put, one, it's just a solid object. It has to be heavy and of a certain size, so you need it to be a certain material, which is typically like iron. And so it's not going to bounce at all, but that also helps to mark where it is. But in strongman, the bag is so heavy and it's not going to bounce at all, so it has a much lower coefficient of restitution.